In this video, I will describe the steps to take in QIP Navigator when not selecting a priority indicator. In the QIP work plan, priority indicators are identified in the type column with a P. They also appear in red font. Organizations can choose to select a priority indicator or to not select a priority indicator. Should you decide that you will not be selecting a priority indicator in your QIP, there are a few required steps you must take that ensure the indicator passes validation at the time of submission and does not appear on the omissions report. Any omission will prevent you from being able to submit your QIP. More information related to resolving issues that appear on the omissions report at the time of validation are provided in another video. So first, in the blue section, or the measure section, the following fields must be blank: current performance, target, target justification, and external collaborators. There is one exception, however. If the indicator has been pre-populated by Ontario Health, removing the current performance is not necessary for validation. For non-pre-populated indicators, when opening the work plan, the current performance may appear in the measure section as a result of calculating the current performance in the progress report as they are joined. This can be cleared by using the Clear All Fields functionality. Click Add, scroll down, click Clear All Fields, and then click Save and Close. And all of the information in those fields disappears. Secondly, you will need to open the Change section by clicking on the Add New Change Idea. You will need to leave all 4 of the top boxes blank. However, you will need to provide rationale in the comments section for why you are deciding not to include this priority indicator in your QIP. In the comments field, enter the reason you are not selecting the indicator. If you try and save without providing a reason in the comment field, a pop-up box will appear as Navigator thinks you have missed entering some information. Navigator thinks you want to select this indicator, so it's asking you to put some information in the fields. Now remember, we're deciding not to include this indicator in our QIP. So we leave the 4 top boxes blank, we go to the comment section, and we provide rationale as to why we are not selecting this indicator. And you would provide your rationale. There may be times when you may be considering having the indicator in your QIP, you enter some information, and then you change your mind. All information will need to be removed to allow validation to happen. An easy way to do this is by clicking on "We will not be working on this indicator." A pop-up box will appear that states, if you indicate that you are not working on this indicator by checking this box, all information entered for this indicator will be deleted, and it will ask if you want to proceed. Click Yes. All fields now in the work plan will be blank except for the comments, which provides the rationale for why you are not selecting this indicator. Remember, no need to be concerned if your current performance appears in the measure section for pre-populated indicators. This will not affect validation.